Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for joining us. I am on a roll today. I thought I'd get all of my Kokorosa videos done today, so I've been making some cards. So this one is from a die that they sent, Kokorosa sent to me to give a review on to try out, and I absolutely love it. It's got a lot of opportunity, lots of ways you can use this. You can use this like I did for a winter card. I actually put it over here as a border, decorative border, and put the deer on there, put some snowflakes on here. This is from another die from my stash, and makes a really cute winter theme. You can also use this as a border. Perhaps I wanted to use this underneath layers. You could do it in gold, put it underneath some, your things. You could do it in black and do a haunted forest kind of theme. So lots of different ways you can use this border or this this die. So I wanted to pop on and let you know about it. I will have the links to the product down below in the description box. Check it out and use my my discount code, and that'll also be listed down there. So this one, I just took some craft paper and I adhered some paper from my Christmas paper pad from Recollections. I used some shimmer paper cardstock and added the deer, and this one is actually got some foam underneath it, this as does the starflake or snowflake, sorry, it looks like a star, doesn't it? And then I did it in these colors as well. So I hope you guys like my project. Like I said, check out the links below for the items and see if there's something you might find to create with today. Hope you're all having a great one. See you soon. Bye-bye.